this is Fanishankar Kopala from Learn&Share channel. Um, so presently, let me introduce myself. Presently, I'm working as a senior tech lead for one of the customer support-based client with different products. So the main reason or purpose of creating this channel to share all my IT experience and knowledge with you all, because I have a good experience on different technologies, different BI tools, and different advanced technologies, right from the MSBI and Python and R programming and Spark, and also I worked on the Databricks, and recently I started working on Azure platform with respect to the Tabular Cube. So all my experience and knowledge, which helps to everyone to some bit to solve their day-to-day problems. I'm in this channel. I'm completely planning to cover all my topics, which I mentioned in my channel description. Maybe you can go and look into my channel description. The list of the tools that I'm going to cover is pretty much big, and I need to see how I can share my knowledge on all those tools. But I'll try to you know keep posting the videos. Whatever knowledge I have based on my free time, available free time, because our main project is very important than these videos, right? So yeah, well, again, having said that, so I'll figure it out my free time, and based on my free time, I'll put more videos. So actually, to start with videos, I'm presently preparing the videos on one of the these analytics tools called SQL Server Analysis Service, where I'm trying to put all my knowledge with respect to the writing multidimensional query and the data analytics queries, which are nothing but MDX and DAX. Also, along with these two, MDX and DAX, I'm going to soon prepare the videos on how to design and deploy the OLAP cube and tabular cube. Um, right? So the learning and sharing is always fun and interesting. So that's a motive to start this channel. Since I'm spending a lot of my free time to make these videos, so definitely I need you guys support. So where I'm requesting everyone, please do like and share our videos, whoever related to these technology and tools, and to reach my channel videos to more audience, kindly subscribe my channel, and that's very important for me, so that more audience I'll get it. So one more humble request: at any point, if the particular video is not clear, please drop a note in the comment section. We'll try to re-record that particular video, maybe in different way to explain easily. With that, so once again, thank you all for your wonderful support. All your support is motivating me to create these videos, and please continue the same support, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.